forces out Don Enrico, fast to begin. Imperial Ballet, sorry, outside. Darori inside, Balabushka, then followed by Pandemonium. Indelible Link in the middle, moving up Ori outside. Anonymous, unopposed second last, while Shining Fame is the early trailer. As they leave the straight, Don Enrico by about 3 lengths. And in second, moving up now is Indelible Link. Imperial Ballet dress back in third. Balabushka is racing in fourth. Moving up Ori outside, Anonymous, then followed by Pandemonium, Shining Fame, and Unopposed in that order as they swing down the back. Don Enrico by about 2.5 lengths. Then here comes Indelible Link. Now coming closer in second. Imperial Ballet in third. Anonymous is racing in fourth. Balabushka, Pip. Moving up, Shining Fame, Pandemonium, and Unopposed. As the riders now started to make their moves inside the Tres Octavo. We have Don Enrico. Indelible Link is Spider. Imperial Ballet now coming closer in third. Anonymous still in fourth. Balabushka as they come to the last 200 is still in control, and there is Don Enrico moving up on the outside. Imperial Ballet. Indelible Link is running by the rail. Last 150, and there is still Don Enrico by a length and a half. Imperial Ballet in second. Indelible Link, and finally 2 is not a fluke for Don Enrico. Second, Imperial Ballet. Indelible Link